Hi again, everybody. Tuesday morning, October 5th, 2021. I have up the Astro Excel chart and also the Vedic chart overlaying it on the side. Okay, I bumped that one over a little bit. You see, we had this expected downtrend. We traded down into the afternoon yesterday, made a little double bottom. Now we're getting a rally back. We're right at these all these blue vertical lines I had put out on yesterday's video. You can see they were all decent turning points, and we're in right on that turning point now. This time on this 8 o'clock bar, we're right at the beginning of this window on the Vedic chart where I have my cursor here. You see right now where the market is trading. We're at this 740 area in time. So between one of these two blocks on the A1 panel, this bright green block or the white block, are going to give us the high, and this thing should start to roll over. And I would expect that we would be looking to test the lows or break the lows in the white block. That's going to start 11:43 to 15:30 this afternoon. So that's kind of the key layout. We're also going to break down in this green line. Is going to bottom out about 10 to 10:30, and then it's going to go sideways, then make a bump up, and then it's going to push down into this bottoming area on the 6th. So on our swing trading cycle dates, we had a date for the 5th and 6th. So we'll see how this plays out, but I would look for a high to come in here and then get a push down into that next Vedic timing window. Okay, now looking forward a little bit. After we get this bump and this push back down, we get this push back down until about 2 to 3:30. Let's call it 1:30 to 3:30 on the 6th. That puts us into this area here on the white block on the A4 panel, and then we have two blocks on the A2 panel, which I've marked in rectangles here, which are also going to give us pivot points in trading here. And then we get one more push up into later on the 6th, and that's going to be between 10:48 and 1:30, and that's going to put us into that white block. So we should be looking at low here and then high here, and then a push back to another low later on the 6th. This green line bottoms out here at 1800 to 2200. So when I look at this 1800 to 2200 area here, it's not inside this window. So that might stretch out and carry over a little bit and then make that ultimate valley in this frame right at the beginning of this green block here on the Vedic in the A4 panel. So a low is expected today or tomorrow. It's possible it could stretch to late in the day tomorrow between that 1800 and 2240 area here, where we get the green line bottom and the moon line bottoms with that. So let's see how this plays out. Right now we're a little bit inverted. We are at a turn time here on the blue line, green line. Let's see if we get a push down here and push down into this next Vedic window this morning. Either challenge this low or make a new low. I don't think we're quite there yet. I have a lower price expectation for the ES than from where it has bottomed out last week. So we have a little bit more downside to go, I think, but that is just my opinion. We'll let the market tell us what's going to happen, but right now that is my expectation. So we'll be back and we'll update it again tomorrow.